Hello, beautiful people of the world. For whatever reason, I just have felt like, I want to be in nature today. I went for a walk this morning. It's kind of dreary outside, like cloudy, rainy, drizzly, and it just, I feel like normally I would be really bummed at this weather because I always want to be in the sunshine, but it just feels really nice, feels quiet. It's a nice day. So I found this like random trail and it has like one review on Yelp, but the pictures looked really nice. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna just go there and, find some sanctuary and peacefulness in nature. I'm really excited. And I'm gonna take you along with me. Let's go. As soon as I got into my car, the sun just broke through the clouds, and that's just so classic Florida. Definitely reminding me to not have any expectations, especially around the weather, because it's gonna do whatever it wants to do. So you know what? I'll embrace the sunniness or however the weather changes today. I just love life. Bye. Okay, I think I made it. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to park here, but we're outside, so I'll deal with the consequences of my park job later. I just love when the trees create like a tunnel. It just feels like I'm walking through a tunnel. This red lichen. At first I thought it was like spray paint, but I'm seeing it on a ton of stuff. definitely just thinking about how whenever I am in nature and I can still hear like cars go by every so often in the distance, and like sometimes I just get caught up in feeling like I'm not secluded enough, I'm not alone enough, it's not quiet enough. But I don't know, it's just like I have to remind myself that stillness and peace is in here, you know? Yeah. My heart is full. My mom would really like these. She likes little puffs. It's raining now, and it feels so good. This is just what life is all about. That was really amazing when I was sitting there, and it wasn't even drizzling when I sat down, but just meditating and listening really closely and hearing the gradual increase of raindrops falling all around me, and them becoming heavier and louder, and it was just felt like a big release of energy, and it was really really cool. Really peaceful, really nice. I'm so grateful for this day. Wow, it's really coming down now. Tell me this is not an enchanted forest right now, like. Well, I'm back in the car. No ticket, didn't get towed. So that's a miracle. And yeah, I'm headed back home. I feel re-energized and a little bit damp, but I feel really good, and I'm really excited to paint. I always want to paint after being outside because I just feel like I have soaked up all of this like good energy, and I need to like let it out somewhere. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for coming along with me on my adventure.